Welcome to Tado. This video will show you how to install the Tado Smart thermostat if you currently have a room thermostat. The installation is done in 5 simple steps: connecting the Tado bridge, removing your old thermostat, installing the Tado backplate, connecting the wires, and then installing the Tado Smart thermostat. If you don't know if Tado will work with your heating system, we are happy to help over the phone. Just call our number, which you can find on tardo.com. Please note that this video only shows an example installation and does not contain all of the details. A detailed manual is provided by our online installation assistant. The step-by-step online assistant guides you through the installation process for your specific heating system. However, it is highly recommended that the installation is done by a professional installer. We offer a professional installation service with an accredited Tado installer. First, please log in at tardo.com/login to start the installation. Let's go! The Tado bridge connects your heating system to the internet. Just connect it to your DSL router using a normal LAN port and use the USB cable and power plug provided. Now activate the Tado Smart thermostat by pressing and holding the button until the antenna symbol shows and the connection to the Tado bridge is established. Now go to the circuit breaker box for your home and turn off your heating system. If you're not sure if you've turned the power off, double-check at your boiler. This step is really important for a safe installation. Make sure that everyone in the house knows you are turning the power off and that you are the only one who is allowed to turn it back on again. Now go to your old room thermostat. Firstly, remove the cover. Some models have 1 or more screws that need to be removed beforehand. Now it is essential that you take a picture of your old wiring for later reference. Before you remove the wires, you need to label them with the stickers provided. Please follow the instructions of the online assistant, as the wires are always connected differently depending on the thermostat model. Once you're done labeling the wires, you can remove them. Most thermostats have screws that hold the wires in place. Any wires not connected to your old thermostat can be ignored at this point. Now gently remove the backplate of your old thermostat, making sure that the wire labels don't come off. Next up is the backplate of the Tado thermostat. To install it, you can either use the screws or the adhesive strips provided. Guide the cables through the hole in the middle of the plate. Now connect the wires to the connector blocks that correspond with the labels on the wires. Wires that were not connected to your old thermostat do not need to be connected here. Gently push the wires back so they are flat to the wall. Now it's time to put on the front cover of your Tado Smart thermostat. Now you can switch the power back on. Just download the Tado app and invite family members or roommates to do the same so that they can control Tado as well. If you have any other questions, please refer to our support section at support.tado.com or just give us a call. We are always happy to help out.